If you're a real estate agent trying to understand AI right now, you're probably feeling one of two things: excited or completely overwhelmed. Because each week there's a new tool, a new platform, a new update, or some new AI expert telling you what you need to do. And the result is overwhelm. Most agents do nothing. I'm right there with you. I don't blame you. It's overwhelming. It's too complicated. So in this video, I want to break it down and simplify everything. I'm going to give you a crystal clear roadmap, a roadmap for implementing AI into your business, the exact way that every single real estate agent should approach AI in implementing it into their business without getting distracted, without wasting time, without turning your business into some technology experiment, and goodness, without wasting hundreds or thousands or even, in some cases, tens of thousands of dollars. Because AI should make your business simpler, more productive, and more profitable, not more complicated. So let's start at the basics. Let's start with step number one, learning the prompts. The first step for every real estate agent just to dive in and engage with AI is super simple. We need to learn the prompts. Prompts, in other words, are just simple instructions that you provide to AI. And if you don't know what AI is, don't feel bad. AI is kind of this all-encompassing term, but for the sake of this video, let's look at AI as a large language model. You may have heard of ChatGPT or Gemini or Perplexity or Claude or Grok. Those are AI. Those are large language models powered by AI. So with that said, just to repeat, the prompts are the instructions that you provide to the AI. Think of, on a very simple terms, like how we use Google and we ask very basic questions. Well, technically, we're prompting Google with what we're looking for. Same principle exists with prompting AI. You with me? Good. Because once we understand how to ask the right questions, AI becomes incredibly powerful. So let's start with the basics, something super simple for real estate, like listing descriptions or emails or client presentations, even going a little further and doing some marketing ideas. This alone, just using this in AI, can save you multiple hours per week. And in other videos, I talk about how that just compounds and massively saves you time over weeks, months, and ultimately a full year. But to stay on track for this super simple introduction video, let's talk about part two. How about using AI for content creation? Content creation that's going to support your marketing. Look, we know this, team. Real estate is an attention business. It's a relationship business and it's local, but we have to be top of mind because the agents who stay visible, they stay relevant. And we can use AI for this. It can help us generate video scripts, video ideas. It can help us write our social media post, help us with our presentations, whether it be a buyer presentation or a listing presentation. It can help us generate market reports, marketing campaigns, and even create educational content. It is the best brainstorming buddy we will ever have, instead of constantly struggling to come up with new content ideas. Using AI in this way allows you to start every single day with content and momentum. And if you want to take it a step further, part three, or next phase, I should say, really is about building systems. This is where things get really, really powerful, but you have to do steps 1 and 2 before you can go into building systems in step 3. So let's assume you did 1, you did 2, you got a basic understanding, you created some very basic structures and some outlines and maybe some plans. Let's just say you engaged, you started using the large language model, you started using AI, and you got a little bit more comfortable with it. Congratulations. Here's the next step. Lean in, start having that conversation with AI about building follow-up sequences, lead nurturing campaigns, create your content calendars further out than a day or two. Create them for 30, 60, 90 days. Do the same thing for your marketing campaigns, and just scratch the idea of doing all these things manually like we used to do in the olden days. Like 6 months ago, because using AI to do it this way, we're creating duplicatable and repeatable, powerful systems. And step 4, this is where you lean in and really start becoming a modern agent. This is where your biggest transformation will happen. It's the agents who combine the traditional real estate skills, that which you've already known, that you've already practiced for so many years, and you combine those traditional skills with your newly acquired AI skills. These are the agents that become incredibly powerful and efficient. You'll be able to produce more content, communicate faster, deeper and with more meaning. You'll be able to build better systems, and ultimately your business will operate like you have an entire marketing team behind you. Over the next few years, the real estate industry is going to change massively. Technology is going to continue evolving. Consumers, they're going to expect faster communication, more data, more knowledge, better marketing, and more information, all with a high empathetic, high trust approach. The agents who learn AI today will be incredibly positioned for the real estate business of tomorrow, because the real opportunity in tomorrow, it's not the technology. It's the power that the technology creates for you and your business. AI gives individual agents the ability to operate at a much higher level, more efficiently, like you have an entire team as a solo agent. That's more productivity, that's more marketing, it's more communication, all without adding more hours to your day. If you're a real estate agent watching this video, here's the good news. You're still early. You have time. Most agents haven't figured this out yet, but the ones, yourself included, that start learning AI today, you're going to create a serious advantage over time. And not by working harder either, but by building better systems. So if you're a real estate agent and you want help implementing AI into your business, I do offer one-on-one coaching. Together, we will build your systems, your prompts, your marketing workflows, and your lead follow-up strategies and your lead funnels. Everything's tailored specifically to you and your hyper-local business, your area, your personality, your way of doing business. This is not one size fits all. This is one-on-one coaching specific to you and your real estate brand. If this sounds like something you're interested in, go ahead and click the link down below. It's going to redirect you to a page. There's a lot of offerings on that page, but most specifically, take a look at the coaching, because there is an opportunity for us to work one-on-one in a coaching relationship. It may be a fit for you, it may not. But either way, if you're serious about growing your real estate business, you may want to at least consider subscribing to this channel. It doesn't cost you anything, but it's tremendously beneficial, as I do videos like this every single week, because this channel is dedicated to you and your business and helping you grow a more efficient business. But at the end of the day, team, it's your business. You got to get out there, get after it, grow your business. I'll see you in the next video. We'll talk soon. Bye-bye.